panoramic sunset views over Cannon and Lafayette Mountains, geothermal comfort, and cutting-edge smart home design define this modern Yankee Barn masterpiece in Ledgewood. Thoughtfully positioned to capture sweeping southwest-facing vistas, this architecturally inspired home delivers a rare combination of refined design, advanced technology, and dramatic North Country scenery that changes beautifully with every season. At the heart of the home is a stunning open-concept chef's kitchen, featuring custom German cabinetry and a premium Thermador appliance suite. Designed for both entertaining and everyday living, the space flows effortlessly into the dining and living areas, where clean lines and thoughtful craftsmanship take center stage. The primary suite is a true retreat, oriented specifically to showcase the mountain views from bed and bath alike. Upstairs, 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, and a built-in walnut desk offer comfort and functionality while maintaining the home's minimalist elegance. The lower level adds versatility with a living area, exercise space, and a private bedroom suite complete with a Balinese-inspired steam shower and custom built-in bunk beds, ideal for guests or family. 2 bioethenol fireplaces add warmth and ambiance throughout. Energy Star certified and equipped with geothermal heating and cooling, this home offers exceptional efficiency without compromise. Located close to Bretton Woods, Cannon Mountain, the Mount Washington Hotel, and Littleton, this Ledgewood residence is a rare opportunity to own a forward-thinking mountain retreat designed for beauty, comfort, and longevity.